Good morning, everybody. Guess what? I went to coupons.com and it looks like a lot of coupons reset, plus they added some new coupons. Now what I do is I print off my coupons off Swagbucks. I say this every single time because I get a point for every single coupon that I print. So why not, keep doing it and get paid for it. So right now I have almost a $70 gift card just by, printing gift cards or printing coupons. And then you guys will get points if you guys use them. So just saying. But here they added the Scott's toilet paper. Yeah, toilet paper, 75 cents degree. Looks like men's degree. I think that might be new actually. 75 cents off of Scott. Now we are getting 50% off coupons, I think. So these are even better. 75 cents off of Viva. Here we have $1 off of 2, $1 off of the degree, the Snickers reset, the Kleenex one, the other Kleenex. So I'm printing these all off because these are great coupons. 75 cents off of Cottonelle, $2 off that. The Chunky Soup. Now one that did reset is the Rimmel $3 eye, so definitely print that off. Here we got $1 off of One Dial Body Wash, which is a better coupon that we have this weekend. Let's see what else there is. Some coupons may have disappeared. I always check coupons.com every single morning I wake up to see if there's any good coupons to print. And Lobella, it looks like it reset, but I'm not printing that off. Garnier reset, but I'm not printing that off. A lot of the Dr. Scholl's. Sorry if I'm going too fast for you guys. I usually just tell you what I'm printing. I know you guys aren't totally interested in what I got, but I like to share with you guys what I have. And then let's see what did not reset once I get down there. Some of these are just ridiculous, some of these coupons. It's like, really? I wish you could like pick a page. Okay, so the ones that did not reset are the General Mills, the Schick did not reset, the OxyClean, the CoverGirl, Revlon, Hershey's. Those did not reset, but you guys should be able to print some of those ones that did reset. Hope you guys have a good morning, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.